Hello everybody and happy holidays. Welcome to the McCall Studio Christmas edition. We are so excited to get our holiday baking started. Lots of fun Christmas videos and holiday bakes for your kitchen coming. Starting with this one today, we are making a famous Christmas cookie. It's a giant chocolate chip cookie that you, your families, and your guests will love. And we have all our ingredients in front of us today. So we're going to take you through the process as well as the decoration. I'm going to take you guys one by one through the ingredients. Let's get started. So for your classic chocolate chip cookie, you know that you need butter, chocolate chips, and sugar. This one is really nice because it's like a big cookie cake or like a cookie pie. So you can have it with some ice cream, you can cut it into slices, and it's nice and thick too. So we have our eggs and vanilla, we've got our flour, our salt, and our baking soda, chocolate chips. So all these ingredients you should have in your kitchen. And then we're gonna be using our McCall's sprinkles and buttercream to decorate right after. You're gonna need a stand mixer, a hand mixer, or you can also do this by hand. It might just take you a little bit longer. And we've got a 9-inch pan here ready to go, as well as our oven at 350 degrees. So first we're gonna start with our butter and our sugars. You're gonna need white and brown sugar. So all the measurements will be listed below, but I'm gonna start by mixing this all together. Alright, so we're gonna give this a mix, and once it's combined, we're gonna add our eggs. You'll know when your sugar and butter are completely combined when it's all sticking together like this. Now it's ready for eggs and vanilla. For this recipe, you're actually going to need 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk. So I have that ready here, along with the McCall's vanilla. You don't need to mix this one for too long before you add in the flour. So I've got my salt and baking soda, and we're just gonna give this a bit of a whisk. All right, now our mixture is ready to go. We've got our pan here lined and ready. As you can see, we've got our cookie dough, and this is ready to be pressed into our pan now. Now we are going to use a spatula to press this down and into the whole pan. Now that we've got our cookie all pressed in, we're actually going to go in with those leftover chocolate chips, and we're just going to create a little bit more of that chocolate look at the top. These you're just going to want to lightly press in to the top. All right, now this is all ready for the oven, so we're going to let it bake for 22 to 25 minutes until you see that the edges are golden brown. So let's get this in there, and we'll be back when it's all cooled to decorate. Our cookie is all chilled and ready to be decorated, and in front of me here I've got the Christmas McCall sprinkles, some royal icing decorations from McCall's as well, a little happy holidays topper, and of course some buttercream. So what I think I'm going to do today is make a nice border, top that all off, and then add the topper into the middle to celebrate the holidays. So we're going to get started off by our border. A nice rope border always looks so good. And if this color doesn't scream Christmas, I don't know what does. All right, so we've got our border, and now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add some of our royal icing decorations. I think that looks amazing. Now let's go in with some of our sprinkles. I love small pearl sprinkles, so these are kind of like mini pearls, and they come in red, green, and white mixed together, which is perfect. And I'm gonna wanna focus this just on the border. Don't wanna get too much on the center. No Christmas dessert is complete without a little touch of gold, so we're actually going to be going in with the gold McCall's loose leaf. Alright, so we've got our gold, and now for our final touch, we are going to add our topper, our Happy Holidays topper. Now this isn't mandatory, but it just completes it. And there we have it. Our Happy Holidays, a Christmas cookie wreath, whatever you want to call it, is all ready to go. I'm telling you, your guests are gonna love this, and you can definitely make it at home just by following this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this today. Make sure you guys do subscribe below to see our Christmas content. We've got loads coming over the next few weeks, and we'll see you back very soon. Bye guys.